Research methods in wargaming. Peer reviewing. This week we are going to undertake one of the more widely used forms of review and critique, and that is called peer review. What peer review is essentially you share your work with somebody else and you get feedback from this other person. Now, peer review is the cornerstone of advanced writing. In academia, for anything to have much of any weight, it is expected to be peer reviewed. Almost all academic journals of any validity are peer reviewed. Some graduate level programs will not even allow you to use a source in a paper that does not come from a peer reviewed publication. And outside of academia, publishing, writing, whether it's a fantastic spy novel, even a cookbook, everything is reviewed. Now, they're not your peers, but it's the same type of blind process. In these situations, you would send no less than 3 copies of your work to whether it's a journal of academia or a publisher, and it has no discerning marks on it that it's yours, and you would have 3 people, like I said, again, look at it and critique it. This also has other uses outside of publishing in academia as far as group work in a professional setting. A lot of times we are tasked with work groups in our occupations. You might be working on a specific problem, a specific situation that needs to have a review or an after action report. In some cases, you are going to be tasked with working on a team. In this case, that's a form of peer review. Regardless of the arena or the form and fashion, the key to peer review is receiving and providing good feedback, improving the finished product. The process offers many advantages to the participants, again, especially the writer. First of which is it prevents tunnel vision or myopia. This entails essentially, if you have written and been writing something and working on something for a prolonged period of time, many times you will start missing a mistake. You've been looking at it too long. This works not only just in word choice and vocabulary, but ideas as well. Many times we tend to fall in love with certain sources, certain concepts, and over a period of time we get used to seeing it. Having another set of eyes, a peer, somebody else, look at it gives us a fresh perspective. If you want to do an experiment with this, think of a topic that you feel very enthusiastic about right now, write about it, put it in your desk drawer, and I want you to read it 6 months from now. Chances are, while you still might be enthusiastic, you might go, wow, gosh, I really probably could have said this better. That, in the essence, is what peer review does. It offers a sounding board for ideas, theories, and logic. This is especially true when you're submitting for publication. The folks that you're going to be submitting to in these situations are informed people about what you're going to be writing, presumably. And it will give you almost like a test audience for your ideas and theories. It provides us with, again, this external perspective. We can, and everyone does, tend to treasure, favor, and protect, sometimes jealously, what we write. This helps us get an outside perspective and that feedback that's very important in writing professionally. Another aspect is it makes the participants better writers. And this could be something as easy as seeing a way somebody has written a certain sentence and seeing something that doesn't really work that maybe you're doing as well. You can refrain from doing it, or at least curtail doing it, but you can also see the way other people write and think, wow, that's maybe something I want to try or something I want to do. The worst case scenario is you're even going to broaden your vocabulary by reading somebody else's work. To complete peer review for this course, make sure you submit your literature review from week 4 to the discussion board by 11:59 p.m. Monday night. Review your classmates' work and fill out the peer review participation form in the assignment box for this week and submit it by Sunday. Also, please keep your feedback and comments constructive and professional. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to contact me. My contact information is located on Blackboard.